Hello, my name is Bettina Forget. I am the director of the SETI Institute's Artist in Residence program. SETI stands for Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. I'm also doing a PhD in art education at Concordia University, and I'm an artist, a visual artist who is interested in astronomy, sci-fi, and feminism. I am a strong advocate for STEAM education and transdisciplinary practice because disrupting the knowledge silos leads to a more holistic learning experience. Students who don't see themselves as like natural scientists or talented artists, they tend to pigeonhole themselves according to their own ideas of self-efficacy. And this is especially an issue with girls who experienced stereotype threat connected to science. They often feel that science is geeky or more for boys and not for them, even though studies show that girls do as well as boys in the STEM field. And so they tend to gravitate more toward the arts. And if you create a learning environment where you can't quite tell whether you're doing art or science, that also disrupts those ideas around what they're good at, those preconceived ideas about their strengths, because you always want to do well in school. So you select subjects where you expect to do well and not those where you expected to not do so well or where you're a little weak. So by creating STEAM projects where all the disciplines are kind of mingled together, but so you're disrupting the knowledge silos, you can also disrupt the associated stereotypes.